Okay, so here are the three best things about this refrigerator LED light replacement. Okay, first, it restores bright, clear lighting inside your refrigerator. Okay, making it much easier to find food and keep everything organized. Okay, second, it helps solve common issues like flickering lights or dim lighting or bulbs that have just stopped working altogether without needing to replace larger refrigerator components, right? And third, it's designed for a simple installation process. With basic tools and a few minutes of work, you can replace the old light module and you get your refrigerator, looking and functioning like new again. Okay, so if your refrigerator light has become dim or it flickers or it's just stopped working altogether, this is definitely worth checking out on Amazon. Peace out.